Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be all about my current laundry routine. I work in a medical office, so I do wear scrubs every day to work, and I clock about 9 or 10 hours a day, and because I'm an introvert and such a homebody, that usually whenever I get off work, I do not want to go anywhere. I just want to go home, just to relax and have some quiet time. So that's why in most of my videos, because I do film the videos after I've been at work, so in most of my videos, you'll see me either wearing pajamas or just lounge clothes, just anything. Like whenever I come home, I just want to put on comfy clothes and just kind of chill out. But because of that, since I don't wear a lot of regular clothing during the week, I usually only have about 1 to 2 loads of laundry to do. And usually that consists more of towels, socks, underwear, things like that. So I usually just do about 1 to 2 loads of laundry during the week. And it's not like I try to save up my laundry, but I do like to keep my laundry until I have enough built up to where I can do a full cycle with the same colors. So on the weekend here, I'm actually washing my scrubs. So I only wash my scrubs on the weekends because I will have worn them all week. So this is when I would also be washing any kind of odds and ends that I have left over, or my sheets, anything like that. This would be when I would do that, is just on the weekends. And I have more time on the weekends, so if I do need to start more than one load, then I have plenty of time to do that. And two, I don't have to worry about it getting too late and then me not having enough time to transfer everything to the dryer, or, at least I'll be able to get everything done and then make sure that everything gets put up, because that's my main issue, is getting all of my stuff put where it needs to go, because I have been notorious for cleaning clothes and like getting them out of the dryer and them just sitting in a pile on the end of the bed. So I've like really tried to break myself of this, and I'm still guilty of it time to time, because sometimes like if I'm in a hurry to go somewhere or something and I'm just like trying to get the clothes out of the dryer and it just gets dumped on the bed. So I try not to do that, but I'm human, so it still happens from time to time. So I don't know about y'all, but I absolutely do not understand fitted sheets. And I can't let them beat me. But I hate folding them. It always comes out looking like a big old blob. And I've watched the video, I believe it was by Martha Stewart, that she had put online years and years ago, and I don't understand how hers can look so neat and mine just look like a mess. But we're just gonna say that it happens to the best of us and just go with that. Hey y'all, so I thought since I was showing you my laundry routine that I would go ahead and show you the products that I use. So the first thing is just my detergent, and it's the Gain. It's in the original scent. And I buy the big containers of these just because they're convenient. You just put them up on the shelf, and then they have the pour spout, so you just pour the liquid into the pre-measured cup that it comes with. The next thing is, it's in the same scent. It's the original. It's by Gain, and it's just their fabric softener. If you don't have a washing machine that has a compartment for fabric softeners, I would suggest getting one of the fabric softener balls, and mine is Downy, which I guess you're supposed to use it with Downy, but I use it for other ones too. I use the InWash scent boosters. This is in the original. Aside from putting them in your laundry, you can also get those little mesh gift bags and sprinkle some of these in there and then just put them around your house. I also put these in the car in little bags or like little container and just pop them under the seat. And I know it sounds weird when you get into the car, your car would smell like laundry, but it smells good. It smells fresh. For the dryer, what I use is, no, it's not Gain. It's just Bounce. But this is the Outdoor Fresh scent. It does say they are 4-in-1. It helps reduce wrinkles, softens, freshens, and produces static control. I don't know if that works or not because my body holds electricity like crazy. So especially during the winter, never fails. If I'm getting out of the car, especially, or getting in the car, if I touch the car, I'm getting shocked. A bolt of electricity will go through my body. So I can't attest that that would work or not. And I'm using 2 or 3 sheets in each load. So I should be static free, and I'm not. So those were the products that I use for my laundry. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like these videos, just go ahead and subscribe, and I would love for you to join my YouTube family. And I will see y'all guys in the next video. Bye!